Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials: a fixed character profile and a repeatable art style, because consistency comes from the same inputs. Write a concise prompt template that lists age, body type, clothing, expression, and camera angle. Use separators like commas or pipes. Once done, store a few variants for wardrobe or pose, but keep the core tokens identical. This reduces randomness and guides the model to reuse the same visual anchors across generations. You now refine how the model interprets the template. Swap vague words for precise adjectives and measurements because clarity reduces drift. If the tool offers a seed or style weight, lock it. That preserves composition and face geometry. Once you see variation, tweak negative prompts to ban distortions like extra fingers or odd textures. Make small, one variable changes between runs so you learn which word causes which visual shift. This is how you build a reliable prompt language. Finish by producing batches and organizing results so you can compare differences side by side. File names should include seed and prompt version. You select the strongest images, extract the tokens that mattered, and fold them back into your template for future runs. If the character still varies, simplify the prompt to core descriptors and relock the seed or style controls. This reduces hypothesis space. A final troubleshooting tip: when nothing matches, remove artistic modifiers temporarily and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.